Meaning of gluey.
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 Gluey. Gluey means to be sticky or adhesive, often in a way that is unpleasant or difficult to handle. When something is gluey, it tends to stick to other things or surfaces, making it hard to dislodge or clean up. This can be caused by factors such as humidity, temperature, or the presence of certain substances. It can also refer to a sticky mental or emotional situation, such as being stuck in an undesirable job or relationship. Overall, gluey creates a sense of resistance or obstruction that requires effort to overcome.